Okay, it's Sunday, July 14th, 13th, 16, 15, 14. Listen. Oh, that's friggin' cool. That is friggin' cool. So it's like 5:30 in the morning, Sunday morning. And I was watching the Weather Channel. It said, rain in 50 minutes. I'm like, you're friggin' high. Then all of a sudden, boom. It's right there. It's raining. And out there. And I keep getting flashes, but let's see if I can get one on camera. It's pouring right there. I know I'm a nerd. I love this stuff, though. I don't waste too much time, but it's moving pretty fast from the south to north. Southwest and northeast. No, north. South and north. See if we can get... Ooh, wow! Holy shit! That scared the crap out of me. Holy crap. I hope I got that. That scared the piss out of me. It's probably dangerous doing this, but if I get hit, I get hit. I mean, that's crazy. We haven't had thunderstorms in the summer since 2022. See, this is God angry from what happened yesterday. People are acting like idiots. And if you think about it, all the past people that have been shot at have been Republican. So, gee, that's kind of weird how the last Democrat to be shot was Kennedy, and since then there's been Reagan and people that were with him. The softball game, some idiot drove up to shoot all the Republican senators. And then, someone threw a shoe at Bush, but that wasn't really an attempt. Oh, I'm talking about, every time you turn on the TV, they're showing something. I'm tired. He's fine. You can't take down Trump. I mean, you can stay in the election for... Anyways, let's see this. Let's see if we get another one. I mean, that one was right there. That was close. I haven't seen a thunderbolt that close to me since 2001. 2001, when I was in Utah. 2002, actually. I was outside. Ooh! In Escalante. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, baby. That's weird. That was right there. Oh, listen. Oh, that is just too cool for school, man. This is just, I know everybody's like in other states. And when I lived in Utah, this is kind of commonplace. But even when I lived in Valencia, we got this a lot. But Burbank, we're in a valley, and we get it's called a rain shadow. It usually goes right over us. So it rained a little bit. You can see some water running there. Some stuff is wet. was going to wash it. Good thing I didn't. We'll do one more lightning bolt or thunder. Ooh! I hope I got that. Did I say one more? That one that was right here was crazy. I hope I got that. This will be a good one. I remember me and George recording thunderstorms and where were we? We were camping in, where is it, Zion? We were camping somewhere, and I didn't want to sleep outside, so I slept in his car, and he slept on the table. This was, I think it was Bryce Canyon. That's what it was, Bryce Canyon. We had a little fire. Yes, I made a campfire. To hell with everybody. And yeah, before when the sun was going down, we got hit with a pretty good thunderstorm. This is more thunder and lightning than rain, but that's fine with me. Okay, one more. And then I'm shutting this down. Because this is just friggin' great. I mean, when is this going to happen again? I wish another one would go right above me. Ooh. Thank you, Father. Now let's hear the voice of God. So over these Verdugo Mountains is La Crescenta and all that. La Crescenta. And they're also in a valley, but behind them is the Sierra Madres. And that's where, when stuff like this comes through, wow, that is bitchin'. That is bitchin', man. So when stuff like that comes through, they always get it because they're in a little valley. We're in a little big, ugly San Fernando Valley. So we just get the rain passed over us. Because these are low mountains, but the mountains behind them are about 10,000 feet, maybe 12. And so when the clouds hit it, it rains. And the cold air, or the warm air going up, hitting the cold air, coming down, produces this. I'm sure you all learned this in school, if you did learn anything. It's almost 6 a.m. I haven't slept at all yet. But this is just freaking too cool. One more. One more. I know you'd rather see me bumble around on guitar maybe a little later today. Maybe. Oops. And I got this all set for the, that bird. I wish it would do something now and it'd freak the bird out. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in because it's kind of clearing up. Ooh, fudge packer. Here we go. That was a great one. It's right over us. Oh, I love this. I love it. This is like Christmas for me. I love weather. I can't believe we're getting this cool summer thunderstorm. I had a feeling we were gonna get something because it was like 90 something degrees and then it cooled way down. And now it's about 65. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in even though it's right over us. There's a giant bee. Oh, there he is. Okay. I think I'm gonna go in. Let's count to 10. Okay, I think that's it. See, right above us, it's clear. Right there is where it's. I can't remember what the rain is called when it doesn't hit the ground. It's not Verta. It's there's another one. Scheist. This can go on all night. Verga. I can't remember the name that they call the moisture that doesn't hit the ground. So that's what we're getting here. You can see it raining. Yeah, that's a waste. All these millionaire Armenians, except for these people are cool. These people are cool. These people are cool. Those people up there by Gary's house, they're cool. These people, not cool. These people are here, not cool. Not cool. Not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool. But there's some very nice Armenian people I've met. And they've actually helped me and my dad since we've had to deal with being bachelors, either by choice or by not choice. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now. Look at that though, see it come on over the mountain there? Just thinking over the mountain, my Aussie. That is coming over, and that's gonna dump some rain on them. That's Glendale. Brand Park is right there. But I don't know. I could stand out here for another hour. That's really coming in quick, though. I'm gonna shut it off. I mean, right that. Holy shit! See, I don't know what to do. Come on, let's hear it. Oh, yeah. Look how fast that's coming in. This is amazing. I gotta stay out here, or I'm gonna shut the camera off. I think I got enough. The next one will probably hit me, but it's worth it. I just got hit in the head and in the leg with the rain. So it's coming right over us. Look how fast it's coming in. Did you die? I hope I got that. That was amazing. I'm actually cold. Okay, let's go. That's really coming in quick. Holy shit. That was cool. That was so cool. I don't know what to do. Look at the difference in cloud. So that's really cold air. A cold air mass coming in low. And that's coming right. I can't believe someone's actually doing yard work at 6 in the morning on oh, it's not. It's some idiot on a motorcycle or motor or something. Strike him down. Yeah, that's gonna... I'll wait for it to come. Okay, it's coming in right here now. Can you see? This is what was in Glendale like 5 minutes ago. That's the front. So it should be getting pretty interesting right now. That's literally a quarter mile from my house on the mountain. That was amazing. I can't believe how fast this is moving in. But see this, as soon as that is over us, it's done. But the main part of the storm is right here. Look at, you can see that. Red skies at night, sailors all right. Red skies at morning, sailors take warning. Red skies at morning, sailors take warning. Oh, that's so cool. That is the coolest look I've seen in this area in decades. I mean, decades. I haven't seen anything like this here since I was a kid. Used to get this kind of crap all the time. Wow, look how red it is. Okay, I'm gonna go in because I'm actually freezing to death, but I think we got a pretty good show. Pretty good. Alright, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. You can see down in the valley, it's pretty, it's raining. So it's raining in the valley. Raining in the valley. Sounds like a church song. Okay. It's raining here too. I keep getting little... Oh shit. Dad's window's down. I'm gonna see if I can roll it up. Oh, what did he do that for? I'm gonna have to go get his keys. Damn it. Oh, good thing I came out here, huh? Okay. I'm gonna shut this off. So you don't need to see me rolling out my dad's window, but it's gonna start raining. Oh, that's cool. Alright, I tell you what. Now you see me in my underwear. Storm's over. That was cool. It's beautiful. That is a beautiful shot. Glory be to God. Adonai. Another one's coming in. Can't wait. That's beautiful. You hear it. Whoa. at that. That was cool. Alright, I'll wait for that one to make its noise and then I'm shutting it down. It's going to start doing more now because the sun coming up. You gotta warm everything up. And there's a bunch of cold air coming in from the south. That's the cold air. Come on. That's coming in fast. Alright. I'm gonna go and finish watching Sanguli.